Walnuts can regulate breast cancer gene expression. Daily diet is thought to make a large contribution to risk for developing cancer. Many genes that suppress cancer were turned on, while genes that promote cancer were turned off with some dietary components. Walnut-rich diet could affect cancer growth, development and survival of breast cancers in humans. Research breakthrough. This pilot clinical trial was conducted by Marshall University, found that dietary walnut affected genes involved in cell growth, cell death, cell development and differentiation in the mammary glands, which would alter gene expression in the development of breast cancer. The results of the first in-human clinical study, women with breast lumps large enough for research in pathology biopsies, were recruited and randomized to walnut-consuming or control groups. Following biopsy collection, women in the walnut group began to consume 2 ounces, equals 56.69 grams, of walnuts daily until follow-up surgery. Research found pathological studies from all women who remained in the study confirmed that lumps were breast cancer. The research compared baseline in each individual woman in walnut consuming and control groups and noticed dozens of genes were changed and expressed, active or inactive, in the surgical specimen, the breast tissue. RNA sequencing expression of 456 identified genes was significantly changed in the tumor due to walnut consumption. Ingenuity pathway analysis, IPA, study found activation of pathways that promote apoptosis, programmed cell death, and cell adhesion, and inhibition of pathways that promote cell proliferation and migration. This research found that consumption of 2 ounces of walnuts per day, calculated as a fraction of total calories, for about 2 weeks significantly changed gene expression in confirmed breast cancers. Walnuts are the novel breast cancer-fighting food. Walnut-rich diets suppress the growth and development of breast tumors and suggest that adding walnuts to a healthy diet are likely to be critical to the cancer growth suppression and apoptosis-inducing mechanisms of walnuts. Walnuts contain specific components that were effective at slowing cancer growth due to the presence of powerful plant chemicals which include omega-3 fatty acids, beta-sitosterol, antioxidants, such as gamma-tocopherol, a form of vitamin E, which has potent antioxidant cell protective effects, but gamma-tocopherol is more potent in its anti-cancer activity. Studies have shown that walnut oil lowers 2 inflammation markers in your blood, CRP, C-reactive protein, and TNF-alpha. Both of these markers are associated with cancer. Oxidative stress and the inflammation induced by oxidative stress have been proposed as key promoters of cancer. Walnuts are therefore part of an anti-inflammation diet. While all of these plant elements have anti-cancer activity, it is the synergistic presence of all of these nutrients together that makes walnuts such a potent cancer-fighting food. Walnuts contain the important nutrients. Walnuts contain many health-benefiting nutrients, minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins that are essential for well-being. Walnuts contain significant amounts of potassium and magnesium. Both of these nutrients tend to be depleted by chemotherapy treatment. Walnuts also contain significant amounts of melatonin. Melatonin functions both as a powerful antioxidant but also plays a role in your natural sleep-wake cycle. Normal sleep is crucial to robust immune function and resistance to infections and the development of cancer. Walnuts is a rich source of minerals such as copper, manganese, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. Copper is a cofactor for many vital enzymes, including cytochrome C oxidase and superoxide dismutase. Zinc is a cofactor in many enzymes that regulate growth and development, gonadal development, digestion, and nucleic acid synthesis. Selenium is an important micronutrient. It has been found to be rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, all of which help in protecting against chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. Some scientists also believe that selenium contributes to DNA repair. Study has shown that normal intake of this mineral might result in a decrease of cancer cell formation, especially in regard to prostate, colorectal, and lung cancers. Walnuts are one of the few vegetarian and vegan sources of super anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Eating about 25 grams of walnuts per day can provide about 90% of RDI, recommended daily intake, of omega-3 fatty acids. All of these compounds for walnuts are known to have potential health effects against cancer, inflammation, aging, neurological diseases, and may help lower blood pressure, cut down coronary artery disease and stroke risk, and offer protection from breast, prostate, and colon cancers. How many walnuts should you eat? It was suggested 1 to 3 ounces per day, approximately 10 to 30 walnut pieces. Important question to ask yourself. Can short-term consumption of walnuts change gene expression in humans? The answer is yes. A single meal containing walnut can change gene expression. Study reported changes in serum proteins, indicating changes in gene expression, after a single meal containing 40 grams, 1.4 ounces, of walnuts. It seems reasonable that consumption of 2 ounces of walnuts per day for about 2 weeks could change gene expression in human breast cancer. In short, a healthy diet can prevent many chronic diseases including cancers. Biomedical research at molecular level has shown that diet can affect human metabolism and gene expression. Walnut consumption actually does reduce the risk of breast cancer or breast cancer recurrence and alter gene expression, active or inactive, in the breast tissue. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and informative. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share with your friends.